Alright, you guys, we got our veins and everything on, the brushed gold. We cleaned it, we scuffed it up. That's what all these marks and stuff are, little micro scratches and everything. But now we've got our clear flood coat, and in there is some gold glitter. So this is going to be really cool. Now I'm getting these edges real good because that's your weak points, where it don't want to flow off correctly. There we go. That's your weakest point right there. Now we'll fill this in real quick. Pretty as ever, ain't it? So now we got bubbles out the yin yang as always, just from the mixing. So we're gonna go ahead and keep in mind we got a nice pretty vessel sink that's gonna sit right on top of here. So about this much of the vein work you're not gonna see, along with the faucet back here. So you're only gonna see the outskirts, but we're gonna take care of these bubbles real quick. Well, these are turning out nice. These are usually your weak spots in resin, okay? Right here at the corner. Matter of fact, look right there. That's why we pour on the corner. Let me see that, Tom. Thank you. That's why we pour right there on the corner. Look what happened. I concentrated so much, but still missed that one. Those corners are crucial. Always got to check those corners. You see it roll over, but it will trick you. It will fool you. So we'll just take a smidge more, and we're going to pour it right here on the corner to get that to go. Just like that. Now it's covered. Now that'll catch up and thin out and level out. I like to be able to walk behind the piece also, just so you can see everything. So we're in good shape. Okay, we're going to let this set up a little bit, finish self-leveling, and finish any bubbles that we might have missed, anything like that. We'll get them off here in just a few. Take care of the drips, finish these guys right out. But boy, that gold glitter is wicked. Like the way that hits. All right, you guys, there they are. They are finished. Suckers are glowing. So we're still catching some of these drips as they come. We're not quite done yet. I just swiped them. That's why you don't see them, but they're still coming. So see that gold glitter hit though as we go across, but that brushed gold, man, that's pretty. That is something else, the way it hits. So we like it. We'll be installing this probably Saturday. We'll show you all the install. It's going to sit on top of that navy blue vanity. But all in all, that's it, you guys. Pretty as ever. See you back real soon on the next one.